disassembly of the filling structure to disassembly and assembly of the punching needle. 1. Rotate the baffle to remove the sensor. 2. Loosen the 6 screws with a wrench. 3. Remove the punching needle. 4. Disassemble the punch pins. Loosen the 4 screws and remove the stop plate. Then you can take off each punch pin one by one. Five. Continue to remove the entire punch. To remove a single punch, follow the steps in step 4. 6. Remove the inner and outer rings. 7. Then loosen the screws of the punch at the 6th stop and remove the punch.